The Leoben tunnel is one of the largest transportation tunnel projects currently being built in the world. Only part of this involves tunnel excavation with tunnel boring machines. Large sections are being built using the new Austrian tunneling method. The task is highly complex, and it is of course also important to be familiar with the geomechanical fundamentals, which are needed both for mechanical tunnel excavation and with regard to NATM. With a total length of 33 kilometers, the Leoben tunnel has a twin tunnel layout. This implies a total of 70 kilometers of tunnel construction, the two running tunnels, cross passages, and an emergency station in the middle. Of this total of around 70 kilometers of tunnel construction, around one-third is to be constructed cyclically with NATM. So of course that means that NATM will be applied to very long sections. So I think the NATM engineer actually gains a great deal from this course, and indeed that the lessons learned can be applied not only to conventional excavation, but that it also evidently lends itself well to mechanical tunnel excavation. Yes, of course, a significantly greater depth of knowledge is expected than that gained from construction experience only. With almost every tunnel project, we encounter new challenges in connection with the ground conditions. So, ideally, personal practical construction experience is supplemented by appropriate theoretical and scientific knowledge.
Why did you decide to pursue professional training in this area?
It's a bit of a special reason in my case. I'm a hydrogeologist and work for a company that is involved in tunnel construction, primarily tunnel design. To widen my field of expertise, I decided that I would get further training on tunnel design and construction. My expectation is that I will be able to solve not only geological and hydrogeological problems, but also general tunneling problems in Austria, as well as overseas. I want to become an expert in all aspects of tunneling. This is of particular importance if one is alone on a remote site, and quick decisions are required, which rules out calling in an additional tunnel expert. This requires fundamental knowledge and familiarity with the available methods.
Basically, TU Graz is a very well-known university, especially when it comes to tunneling in general. And I wanted to gain a holistic education in tunneling, and especially in-depth knowledge about NATM. From this course, I expect to gain a deeper understanding of the new Austrian tunneling method. I expect to also be able to learn from the experts in tunneling here more about their management practices, as well as the state of the art in tunneling today. And I expect to become, at the end of the day, a better tunneling professional who is able to deal with a tunneling project independently on my own.
Actually, I want to improve my knowledge how to design according to NATM concepts and how the procedure that these experienced guides follow, and to identify the difficulties, the points we should concern in our design. I'm actually a designer. I want to go in this direction.
Do you feel you can recommend this course?
Yes, definitely. I would recommend it to anyone wishing to progress with their work in tunnel construction, whether geologists, civil engineers, or surveyors. Indeed, anyone who wishes to develop their skills and progress in this sector.
This course is highly recommended, in my opinion, to my peers in this field because I think it covers a wide range of subjects in tunneling, and it gives the student, at the end of the day, I think, makes him better prepared to face the challenges that he will face in the tunneling industry in the future. I would recommend this course to my fellow tunneling engineers and to anyone who is interested in tunneling, from the guys who are involved in detail design all the way to the guys who are involved in management aspects. I think this course covers the whole spectrum of professionals in this field.